Hello, this is Jack from Fluency.com, and today I'm going to give you a quick lesson on the zero conditional. Now, the zero conditional isn't taught as much as the second or the first conditional, but it is probably used more in everyday English. So let's have a look at an example. When there's a storm, our football game gets cancelled. So both clauses use the present simple. When there is, our football game gets. So both clauses use the present simple. And we use the zero conditional when we talk about things in general. What normally happens if this happens, or what normally happens when this happens. Another example is, I get really tired when I eat a lot of pizza. It's often used for facts that are always true. For example, when you heat ice, it melts. Let's now compare it to the first conditional. So before I said, when there is a storm, our game gets cancelled. This explains what normally happens. But listen to this. If it storms, our game will get cancelled. Now, when you use the first conditional in this sense, we are talking about a very specific event in the future. So our game on Sunday. If it storms, our game on Sunday will get cancelled. So the zero conditional talks about what happens generally, and the first conditional is used for a specific event in the future. Let's look at some more examples of the zero conditional now. I have to get the bus if I miss the train to work. You can also say, if I miss the train to work, I have to get the bus. We don't go outside much when it's too hot. If I don't get enough sleep, I'm really cranky in the morning. So leave some more examples of the zero conditional below to practice, and then go to the description to find more lessons on conditionals. I'll also leave some on your screen now. And as always, if you like this lesson, then click the like button and then share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.